singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again.
Rain is droplets of water that fall from clouds. When the water droplets gets too large and heavy, they fall as rain. What causes rain? Clouds are made of water droplets. Within a cloud, water droplets condense onto one another, causing the droplets to grow. When these water droplets get too heavy to stay suspended in the cloud, they fall to earth as rain. Water cycle. The water cycle is the path that all water follows as it moves around Earth in different states. Water vapor, a gas, is found in Earth's atmosphere. Water can be found all over Earth, in ocean, on land, and in the atmosphere. The water cycle is the path that all water follows as it moves around our planet. Rain.
One of the most common forms of weather that we all have experienced is rain. And so we are going to make rain today. And what you need is a jar, an empty glass jar, a plate, some ice, and some really, really, really hot water. This water was just taken off the stove. It was just practically ready to boil. So we take and we're going to pour this glass jar with about 1/3 of it full of water. There we go. Maybe add just a tad more. Okay, it's almost half now. But anyway, we're going to put some water in there. And then I'm going to set the plate on top. And we're going to let it sit there for just a couple of minutes. Now you may already see that there's some condensation on the side over there. And we're going to let this sit here for just a minute. And now I'm going to start putting some ice on the top. And so what we have here is we have the hot and then the cool. And this is actually what happens in the clouds, is that the clouds will have cooler air in them and the ground is warmer. And you may be able to see that there is water all over the sides of the jar. And I'm going to move this so you can see that it is going to be raining. Put some more ice up there. And waiting to see if it's going to rain. We are doing what the clouds do. Oh, did you see that? There was a little drip that just fell down. There is some little rain. There's some rain coming down. You see it? So we have made rain using hot water, ice, a glass jar, and a plate. So we have made rain. This is something that you can do at home, but make sure that you have an adult with you when you pour that hot water and when you're cooking that hot water. Have fun making rain.